Hello everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums MCQ series. Plums is a prelims level up MCQ series. So as part of it, we'll be dealing about 5 MCQs daily. So this is episode 69, February 11th, 2023. In this episode, we are going to deal about CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning. So as part of the Plum series, at 9 p.m, you and us together will be solving 5 MCQs from the different subjects. The Tuesday, we'll be dealing about Geography, Environment. Wednesday is about Polity, Governance and Schemes. Thursday is about Economics, Budget and Survey. And on every Saturday, we'll be dealing about CSAT, Math, Aptitude and Reasoning. Okay. Sir is going to take Current Affairs, Maths IR on Sunday, History, Art and Culture on Monday, Science and Technology on Friday. So if you practice the right way, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. Okay. So if you want the access to daily, free UPSC civil service coaching classes, there are only 2 steps which are left out. First step is to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell icon. Second step is to save this number, that is 7200681675. I repeat, 7200681675. After saving this number, you can send the WhatsApp to this number like UPSC free. Message them UPSC free. Then you will get the foundational videos and all the other information related to this channel. And if you want the free content of this channel, you need to definitely subscribe to this channel, because there are lots of content which are only available for the subscribers. Okay, kindly note that. With that note, let's start the video. So first question is, select 3 figures out of the following 5 figures which when fitted into each other would form a square. So they're simply asking which 3 combination of figures when we combine together it will form a square. We have to see the combinations. So instead of checking the random combination, let's check from the options whether we can form or not. So if you take the first option, the first option is 1, 2 and 4. Let's take this 3. First diagram is like this, 2, second diagram is like this, and 4. So, sorry, this is 5th one. 4 is like this. So for the 4th diagram, there is nowhere the slanted line. There is nowhere slanted line in the 4th diagram. So if slanted line is not present, these 2 will not be combined. These 2 figures cannot be combined with the 4th one. So for first one won't be the answer. Okay. Let's check the second option. So second is nothing but it's 1. Okay. 1, 2 and 5. 5 is like this. So if you take this first one is like this, right? Okay. If you try to fit the second one into the first one, you can fit it in this way. So this part, this part can be the second one. This is second, this is 1. So if you reverse this one, it will definitely become like this. Okay, this is third, this is 5th one. So 1, 2 and 5 can be fitted to form the square. Okay, so option B is correct for the question number MCQ number 1. So you can check out the solution once again over here. 1, 2, 5 will form the square as shown in the following the image. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. So they are asking what comes in the place of the empty box. Okay, in this empty box we have to fill. What comes in this empty box is something they are asking. So here they have given the paintings. Here they have given the paintbrush. So with this paintbrush only we can paint. So if they have given the thread in this box, we have to have the needle in the second one. Okay. We can use this thread with the help of needle. We can use this paints with the help of paintbrush. So needle will be the answer. Option A is the correct answer. I have given the solution once again over here. You can pause the video and check out or read the solution once again. Now let's solve the MCQ number 3. So if you read the question, I am facing east. Turning to the right, I go 20 meters. Then turning to the left, I go 20 meters. And turning to the right, I go 20 meters. Then again turning to the right, I go 40 meters. And then again I go 40 meters to the right. In which direction am I from my original position? You don't need any values. Okay. You can take the values also, no problem. So I am facing to the east. For example, if I am here, I am facing to this side. So this is east. I am facing to east. Okay. I am facing east. if I am facing to east side, my right direction will be obviously the downwards. Okay, if I am facing the east, my right direction will be downwards. Okay, my right hand side will be downwards. So so if I am here initially, let me take it in a very good way. So if I am here in if I am standing here, so the right for me will be this side. So because I am facing this side. Where I am facing this side. So my right will be downwards. Okay, I hope so you have understood what I have told. Okay, so I am here. I will go to the east. I am going to the right for 20 meters. I am going to right for 20 meters. Then turning to the left. So if I am facing this side, my left will be this side. Sorry, my left will be this side. So if I am facing this side, the downward direction, my left will be this side and my right will be this side. Okay, where I have to go now? I have to go to the left side as given in the question. Okay, from here I am going to left side. For how many meters? I am going to left side for 20 meters again. Okay, and turning to the right. So if I am facing this side, my right will be this downward. My right will be downward if I am facing in this direction. Okay, so I am going to I am turning to the right for 20 meters again. Okay, first I am going to the right for 20 meters and turning to the left for 20 meters, and I am turning to the right for the 20 meters. Then again turning to the right, I go 40 meters. Okay, from here I am facing downwards, and from there I am turning to right. If I am facing downwards, my right will be this side. How many meters I am going? Then again turning to the right, I am going for 40 meters. It will be more than this because this is 20 and this will be bigger than that. So I am going 40 meters. Okay, and then again I go 40 meters to the right. So if I am facing this side, my right will be upward. Okay, I am going 40 meters. So if this is 20, if this area is 20, this line should be more than that. So this is 40 meters. Okay, I have come to the original position, like I am parallel to the original position of my first one. So in which direction am I from my original position? Okay, from the original position, in which direction I am. So for finding out this kind of question, the direction question, we have to see from where. From my original position. So we have to draw the graph over here. Okay, this is east, this is west, this is north, this is south. So from my original position, I am to my west. From my original position, I am to my west. So if they are asking from where, for example, if they are asking from this final position, we have to draw the graph in the final position, but they are asking us from my original position. That's why I have taken the graph in the original position. So I am to my west from my original position. So option B is the correct answer for question number 3. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. Okay, find the missing element in the series given. They are asking the missing element. They have given ACE, question mark, MOQ, and so on till SUW. Okay, so if you see the gap between these letters, after A's position is 1, C's position is 3, E's position is 5. So for everything you are adding plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So after that, if you add 5 plus 2, it will become 7. Which is the 7th letter? Okay, it is G. 7th letter is G. So here there is a probability that here G appears. So after G, we have to take the 9th letter. After G, we have to take the 9th letter. So 9th letter is I. Okay, after 9, we have to take the 11th letter because plus 2. Right. 11th letter is K. J-I-K will be the answer. So J-I-K is the answer. So we are giving the values for each alphabet and we are adding by plus 2. G-I-K, that is answer option number C is the correct answer for question number 4. Now let's solve the last question of the day. If in certain language Madras is coded as NBESBT, okay, how is Bombay coded in that code? So let's take the values of Madras. Let's take the values of the letters in the word Madras. So for M, it is nothing but it's 13. Okay, it's 13. M value is, for A it is 1. For D it is 4. It is enough. Okay. They have given the code as N B E S B T. So for N it is value 14, B it is value 2, E it is value 5. So it is enough. You should not write all the values and check. If you check the 3 or 4 values, it's okay. Now if you see how much it is increasing, here it is 13, here it is 14, here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 4, here it is 5. It means they are adding by 1. So we have to add 1 for the values of the Bombay also. Let's take the values of the Bombay. So if you check the options, most of the options are starting by C, P, N. Okay, in the A, C, P, N, C, B, X. In the B, C, P, N, C, B, Z. So if you check the first 2 and the last one, it will be enough. Right. If you check the first 3 and the last one, it will be enough. Bombay. So plus 1 is nothing but the next letter itself. So after B, C comes. After O, P comes. After M, N comes. After B, C comes. After A, B comes. After Y, Z comes. So C, P, N, C, B, Z. That is option number B is correct answer for question number 5. That is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed this series. So in this way, we'll be dealing 5 MCQs from different subject tomorrow by different faculty of Vysh IAS. So please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. So if you have any queries about the channel, or if you want the foundational videos or anything, you can WhatsApp to the given number, that is 7200681675. Thank you everyone. Keep smiling. Bye.